We got a new barbell in. We got a Black Zinc power bar, because if you guys know, in one of my videos a couple months ago, I was walking in like 625, 615, something like that on the squat. And I missed the upright walking it in and just completely like fucking had to bail out from the bar. Like the bar like went down, like smashed the fucking upright, and like the bar is bent now. Not too bad, like we've been using it, but like it's not great. And also it's a 45-pound bar as opposed from a 20-kilo bar. It's not the biggest difference, but there is a slight difference when it comes to the length of the collars, which could play into the whip of the bar when it comes to like squat and deadlift. So point is, we got a new bar. It just came in. We took it out, or I unboxed it last night. We're gonna have to take that to the gym today. Today we have squats. Last week I hit a PR, which was 672. Which is 305 kilos. And today I have a single at a higher RPE, so depending on how we feel, we may be loading 678, which would absolutely be fucking crazy. Like, to think that I'd be squatting 678 right now. Well, I mean, we're chasing 700, but like, the thought of hitting 678 is fucking nuts in my mind. Like, it's just like a big ass number. Like, people are deadlifting 678, they're not squatting 678. So, like I said, we have that later on, but until then, if you guys know Mike, he's one of my other good friends. We have to go to Johnny, we have to get some Fairlife because we're all out. Probably get some other stuff too while we're at it, but we'll see you there. The other night we got like 8 inches of snow, so if this would focus. And so for once we're actually throwing on Timberlands and not Jordans, because I'm not trying to fuck up the weight on all my shit. But Powerbuilt sent me this new crew neck. It's pretty much the black one, but it's in gray now. Super fucking dope. We're all grout fitted out. So if you guys want, you guys can go cop. You can go cop the crew neck. I'll put the promo code down here. This is a new barbell that we got. Like I said, Black Zinc 20-kilo bar. Fucking sexy as shit. I want to try to keep it nice. Like I don't want to keep it all polished off. No chalk on it. Like when I'm not using it. Of course, lock it up because snow in the car. Who the fuck is this guy? Yeah, we text. I got gold money and I put myself on action. Dope boys outside, nigga, yeah, we have it. This is a State College winter right here, dude. It's terrible. Look at all the like dirty salt covered everything. We just got done picking the ice off of the windshield wipers because like it literally froze over the windshield wipers. We were trying to drive here and we couldn't see anything. The headlights are covered, like it's just terrible, man. It's disgusting.
Down bad.
Down terrible. Alright, so the Fairlight's usually over there, and we walked up to it and we only saw 4, and we're like, bro, like how are you only gonna have 4 at like noon on like a weekday?
Facts, yeah.
And like I saw like a little something in the reflection through the glass, and I saw like a bunch of things. I turned around, I go, wait a minute. And then they just had like a full thing here full of them, so we just like cleaned them all out.
This is a typical grocery cart every week for us?
Yeah, usually. I mean, we only came here expecting to get Fairlife, but you know what happens when you get to the grocery store, you see shit and you're like, oh, like I need that. So, we're good. We're gonna wrap it up now and then head back. So, as you see, we had to upgrade the cart because what we had just wasn't working so far. We ended up getting a lot more than we originally thought we were going to.
Yo, let's just put the cart into the car.
Yeah, alright, hold on. Can you open the back?
Yeah, where am I gonna sit?
Oh, we're gonna... You'll sit on top.
Okay. I'm fucked.
Hey, do you guys want to go to, like, Texas or something?
Hell yeah.
I can't do this anymore, bro. Back here, I put all this shit away. I'm gonna take care of that. And then, I gotta body, like, 2 classes. And then I'm gonna head over to the gym. And we're gonna beat up Joe. If y'all haven't yet, go ahead, join my Discord. I made it like 12 hours ago and we already have nearly 400 members. This shit's absolutely crazy. Big bro's talking about getting a shout out in the video. But shout out to all of y'all that have joined so far, man. Like for real, like it's actually crazy like how many people joined so far, and like the chat's actually live too, so shit's nuts. But we're gonna be heading to the gym momentarily. Like I said, I just finished my classes. We gotta bring the barbell in the back of the car and haul it on over to East Coast because Because like I said, we have the black zinc. We're going to be squatting on that today. I'm going to give my red Cerakote bar likely to my house. This may be backwards, I'm not sure. But shout out to the man Big Body Ferrati. Chris, he's launching his small clothing brand. He's trying to scale it up from here. So, you know, I'm all about it, supporting the small businesses. So, he sent me a shirt, super nice quality. This right here is like a Goomba. Like if you guys have watched Naruto, how Madara has like the big war fan thing. So like that's like kind of like the symbol for this shirt. And then there's another one on the back you guys will see later. But super dope material. If you guys feel like supporting him, go ahead. I'll drop that down below so you guys can go over there and buy one. Let him know that I sent you. And like I said, we're gonna head on over. So I'm gonna stop procrastinating. We're gonna get after it.
Why you got a growl fit on, bro?
Listen, it's a growl fit kind of day, alright? I was telling them earlier.
Oh my god. Yo, what is this? Dude.
Mike's gonna have to sit back there with the barbell. He has no choice.
Come, suck it off. Oh man. Yo, I almost ate shit and destroyed your camera.
Dude, that would've, did you get it on film?
Well, I don't think you see it on there. I just slightly go.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm a fisher in. We might have to drive with this.
Open.
Yeah, we're gonna have to.
No. You're good.
Oh wow, we are good. Wait, hold on. Oh wow, we're good. Holy shit. I did not think that was gonna work.
Can you put my bag there too?
Are you squatting to it?
Me?
John, are you squatting to that?
Yeah.
Are you squatting today, Joe?
No, I'm benching.
Alright. So we're at the gym, bar is here. We're waiting for the squat rack to open up. Gonna warm up and get after it. Feeling good, nice and full, nice and bloated. So hopefully something good happens.
Maybe out my childhood, all I remember is starving, nigga. All niggas in the hood was hating, but I ain't bottom, nigga. Made a pledge with my niggas, we brothers forever. Yeah, don't give a fuck, you right or wrong, we thug the fuck out. Shit, we trippers in my hood, nigga. That's gonna be a problem for themselves.
Reach up and pass so much I can press a button, that's me. 30 on the glizzy, got my pants dizzy. Playing around with Savage, you get shot in the kidney. So many drums, he gon' think I'm bad. His ass
Motherfucking roll, fuck. Nigga talking down on no. Yeah, made 100 plays in the phone. Gut, got him right time, stay bold. Head shot a nigga ass to see what is mine. It's a metal red light.
I believe you're Let's go. Settle in, come on.
What I pause that?
I got direction to breathe.
top, they get my mind right. Pull up in the Robert loud pipe. Bitch, I'm the down, push a $100. Yeah, bitches like that. Play with a con. I want that bitch a new charm. Come on, come see. Mama happy.
What am I hitting? Come on! Let's go! Come
Alright, we hit 678 out of, I'd say like around a perfect 8, so I'm happy with it. We have a 3x8 now of thinking around 528. We're gonna at least do the first set. We might have to drop it. I'll probably only film one of the sets though, just because it's like the same thing, like for 3 sets of 8. I don't even know what else. Fucking, we gotta go back, eat, shower up, knock out some work. Tomorrow we have bench. I'll probably film that. And then the next day we have deadlift. I'm looking to hit around 700 at RP, like hopefully 7. So if it's there, it's there. If not, I'll settle for around like 695, something like that. We're gonna have to see. So we're gonna hammer these back offs and then we're gonna get out of here.
It's like about like wanting me to do more like meeting, you know, it's like, dude, I'm not even there, honestly. I would. What do I do? Like, it's a special. I was like, oh. And I was like, Joel trashing the front of the fucking mind. It's like, dude, I'm like,
Alright, so it's Thursday. We fast forwarded a whole day. I didn't film anything yesterday because all we had was like sets of 5 on bench that nobody cares about. So today we have a deadlift single at 7, I think. I'm thinking around, hopefully between 695 to 705. We're gonna have to see. We're gonna have to play it by ear. I'm not sure how I'm gonna feel, but right now we're carbing up. Had some Pop-Tarts, had a Fairlife. Gonna have some rice later. Do some class, and then I got a lecture in like 20 minutes, or like 15 minutes. So gotta bang those out, do some more homework, and then we're gonna head on over. Joe, what do you have today?
a bench.
Joe is bench. So we'll see what he's gonna fail. And until then, we'll see you guys right before we're about to go. What? Open the car!
Dude, there is salt. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. Why is my car caked in salt? That's good. The fuck? It's good.
Oh, yours the pussy.
Yes. No, you don't have a car, so shut the fuck up.
I'd rather have no car than have a white Jeep.
Good, you can walk tomorrow. How about that? It's a nice day, I'm not gonna lie to you. This makes up for it. Like, clear sky, nice clear skies in Happy Valley, bro. Are you kidding me? After literally a whole entire week of like just straight snowing and just hadn't stopped for like a week. Like, it's nice now.
Facts, bro.
Like, look at this shit. It's fucking nice out.
You gonna call that? Yif no. $5 every time. That's essentially what it is.
It's interesting. Oh my god.
Like driving for real.
I'm glad we get ripped off. I'm gonna go. Can you just record the blast that I'm about to take on that album? Okay. I have to record one more shot. What do you want?
He goes some issues on issues, make sure that y'all done. I want my money. I didn't push it in my mind. I just told her to come pick up the package, she gon' fly back. Big stick with a big fella, make me back. Ain't cool with this thing, shit, give me a ride back. Yeah, we gon' pull with some big guns. Yeah, bitch, some people sit up, keep some big drums. Yeah, I like how they green, I got some green thumbs. I see the same guns.
All these niggas talk about me. All these niggas dressing like me. Niggas tryna disrespect me. Bitch, that's gon' come with a fee. I got a bitch I fuck on for free. I got a bitch I fuck on, she'll rob in the bank. I'm robbing the bank. I'm out in the tank. I'm out in the tank. My bitch, she got cake. My bitch, she got cake.
Come on, Sean.
I'm serving that bass. I'm serving that bass. I'm serving that bass. I got me some guys.
Come on!
Never get put that size for Lane. Never get put that size for Lane. I shot a phone in the back because I'm so mean. I shot a phone in the back because I'm so I love how my guys say.
Cut out all that big rhyme. Skin capri, you think you find it in your bitch, huh? You niggas mad cause I keep throwing up, like, look at Savage, little bitch ass, he think he shit, huh? I am when I'm riding with his stick, huh? I think I am that nigga bitch, huh? I swear to God, my deal worth 7 6 and I stick. You think you hard, you wanna get shot all over your shit, huh? Gun smoke, gun smoke, gun smoke, gun smoke, yeah, gun smoke, gun smoke. On that Glenwood, I made a lot of cash, yeah. At the say true buzz, I'm finna hit. Dash in, throw some cash in, yeah. Let me see, yeah. I smash it, yeah. Run a train on her, let me tag my man. Yeah. Fuck in a couple, put some Zans in, yeah. Bitch, I'm bad bitch. 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 Yeah. Bitch, I'm bad bitch.
Okay, so y'all saw how 705 moved. It was an overshoot. I was prescribed a single at 7, but like something weird happened where my knee wasn't fully locked out, and I lost some tightness in my hamstring and glute. But it is what it is. It wasn't too bad of an overshoot. Then we hammered out a 3x5 with 595. So likely gonna wrap up the video here. Let me know what you guys thought. Comment, like, subscribe if you haven't already. And let me know some things that you want to see coming forward, because I've been inconsistent with the YouTube. I got to get better with it. So leave some comments down below. If you guys haven't joined the Discord, I'll put it in the link tree that's down in the description, where there's links to all my stuff, all my socials, and then my Discord, so you can join from there. So until then.